Hello everybody, and today we have a surplus bag opening, and this is the same bag that you would usually get with your Mosin Nagant, but since the stores don't sell Mosins anymore, we have to find this at a gun show, and we'll get right to the opening here and inspect the good contents. Yeah, sorry for not many lack of uploads. It's just been pretty crazy lately. So we have the good old ammo pouch, which looks really in really good condition. Yeah, it's perfect. And we'll get the little Cosmoline oil can out of there real quick. Yeah, that is sticky. Ooh, it's a double. Yeah, that is something else. That's exactly why we towel there. And the real reason I bought this is for the sling. My Mosin did not come with a sling, so I needed one. And this is also full of Cosmoline, but that'll be a nice easy fix, and it should be a nice sling. And then finally we have a tools kit. We could get it open. And alright, these seem to be also full of Cosmoline. And we got the firing pin tool. And yeah, it's basically your basic tool kit. And yeah, everything looks to be in good condition. And I guys hope you enjoyed this surplus Mosin bag unboxing, and I hope to have more videos here in the future. And don't forget to subscribe.